Another great recipe using leftover rotisserie chicken. I'm Tess, and today I will show you how to make chicken stroganoff, an easy, quick, comforting meal for those busy nights. You can use any pasta or noodles for this recipe. Tonight I'm making some wide egg noodles. This chicken stroganoff is also good on rice or mashed potatoes. So let's get started. In my pan on medium heat, I'm adding 4 tablespoons of butter. You know it's going to be good when you start with butter. 1 medium diced yellow onion, cooking and stirring for a couple minutes to get those onions all happy with that butter. One of the key ingredients in a stroganoff are the mushrooms. I have one 16-ounce package of sliced button mushrooms. Cooking and stirring for 4 to 5 minutes or until the mushrooms cook down and release some moisture. The mushrooms will suck up all the butter at first, but then they will release their moisture and you will hear the mushrooms squeak a little in the pan. Once you see a little juice left on the bottom, add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic and about 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Cook and stir for about 30 seconds and then add 4 tablespoons of flour. Cook and stir until the flour is incorporated. It's okay if some of the flour sticks to the bottom of the pan. You will see it turn brown, but you just don't want it to burn. Now we add the liquid, and I have 1½ cups of chicken broth. Give it a good stir and make sure you scrape the bottom. Your gravy will thicken as it cooks. Give it a taste, adding in a little more black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and you can use smoked paprika if you like. I just don't have any. 1 tablespoon of parsley, and 1 teaspoon of thyme. Mushrooms and thyme love each other. Giving that a good stir. To jazz it up a little, you can add 1 to 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. It gives the gravy a little extra something. To add a little color, I have 1 cup of frozen peas. In they go and give a good stir. Adding 2 cups of cooked diced chicken, and you can even use canned chicken for this recipe. It depends on how thick you like the stroganoff gravy, but I'm adding in another 1/2 cup of water to thin it out some. Bringing this back up to a light simmer to heat the chicken through, and then turning off my heat. When adding sour cream or cheese to a dish, you want to make sure that the heat is off, or the cheese will tend to clump. I have 1/2 cup of sour cream that I'm stirring in. This brings everything together, adds a tremendous amount of creaminess, richness, and comfort. There's not only beef stroganoff, but there's chicken stroganoff. I hope you give my chicken recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button to receive my future recipes. Please feel free to share my channel with your friends and family. It really helps my channel grow and it is greatly appreciated. And until next time, much love.